Hi everyone, welcome to Loro Piana, ready to wear try on. I'm so excited to try these new pieces. I'm going to do a quick preview, show you the pieces, and I'm going to do a very fast try on, and let's see what we think. Okay, so this is not a Brunello piece. So size medium and size small, these are bodysuits. Price size. Sorry, the lighting in this video is a little bit off, so I'm gonna note when it looks different on the camera so that you know what pieces look like. This is a very off-white ivory, size small tank. This is a shrug, and for sizing purposes, if I fumble around here, it's an extra small. Kind of heavyweight, surprisingly not so soft sweater, although I think these colors are just so amazing for those of us blondies, and it's 1875 is an extra small. And then very cool terry cloth set. I love this color. I think people with multiple skin tones and hair can just pull this off so beautifully. I saw a woman with this color on who had like a deep burgundy hair with white skin, and I thought she just looked phenomenal in this set. So this is a set here. So this is what I'm going to try, and we will give it a shot. Okay, this is the first piece, 100% silk, extra small. It feels so good on, oh my God. So this is like a shrug kind of cardigan sweater. Let me try to pull it out a little bit more here. I think it's really beautiful. I just don't see without pockets and stuff that I would ever wear it, but I do want to emphasize the shape. The shape here on the side of the body is just exquisite and it looks really nice. So those of you looking at it, I would certainly recommend trying it for yourself. If nothing else, get the feel of the fabric and you'll know why I'm getting so frustrated with Chanel and other stores like them, because this is how it should feel. That's my 2 cents. Okay, so we'll try the next one. The next one I'm going to try is actually to hold them up. They are pajamas, and for the sake of the fact that I am now well over 40 years old, I'm going to spare you all the visuals here. So here is a little boy short and little tank top, both in an off-white, almost yellow color. Quite pricey though, I will warn you, these are not inexpensive pieces as we would expect for this designer. But something to keep in mind if you're looking for this set. I'm going to try the jumpsuits or the bodysuits next, see how they look. All right, so I decided to try the medium first. This is wool with 4% elastane. We've talked on this channel many times, and many of you have commented about how terrible wool is in terms of how it feels. And I have mentioned that I would always provide feedback on different designers, their wool, and their cashmere too can get itchy too. So I can tell you that all the wool pieces I have from Loro Piana feel fantastic. So hopefully that's a good sign that we will all be able to find wool pieces that our bodies can tolerate. So in terms of fit and overall, like, how does it make our body? I mean, it's very clingy. I'll give you that. It's clingy. So you're seeing every flaw, every good and every good thing and every flaw. Okay. So I'm putting myself out there here, but, you know, even for a late 40s person, I think that it looks pretty good, and it actually matches beautifully with some other pieces that you can see in my last video, and I'll link it up here in the cards. And that was the whole idea, that it does match them and it does fit with them. Truly, this is a beautiful piece. I think it's probably worth every penny if it's something that you're looking for and you're trying to find. With this video running, I will grab this shrug again. And maybe this is the whole idea, right? Maybe you were doing something like the CatSuit with the shrug over. And many of you have asked me to do this, to go back and put the pieces kind of back together, maybe as an outfit rather than as individual pieces. And certainly it adds a lot more elegance, a lot more wearability, and I can actually just see myself kind of running errands in this or grabbing a quick bite to eat, etc., in a more casual place. So that's how it looks. It has a stripe down the side. For those of you that don't want it to be form-fitting, it is a 10 on form fit. Going backwards, I forgot, looks. For me, this CatSuit's a 10. Wearability is a 10. Price is high, but because I'll wear it a lot, it's a 9 for me. This shruggy guy, I don't know. When I put it with this, I can kind of see the look. It kind of makes sense for me. And so for me, the look of this is maybe a 4 or a 5. Wearability is an 8. Super easy to wear. It's comfortable. It just needs pockets. So value, because I wouldn't wear it all that often. For me, I'm just going to give it a 4. Pajamas I haven't even tried, so I can't give that any kind of rating. But yeah, so that's that. So let me try the next piece. And the next piece will actually be a sweater, and then I'm going to try a tracksuit, and then that will be it for this short video. All right, everyone, this is silk, cashmere, and flax. And this is an extra small, and it does look really small. Here's how it looks for those of you who have a similar skin type or hair color. So the lighting here is terrible. I have naturally dark blonde hair. I have hazel eyes and pretty white skin this time of year. And I think it's very complimentary. So if you're similar, not that it wouldn't look great on other people as well, but if you have a similar skin tone, many of you have commented about that. I do think it looks really nice given that. So let me try this on. It's going to be tight. I do know that. So be right back. Okay. And so see, let me get up close to the camera. I mean, what a fantastic piece in terms of the color on our skin. And I think it would just accentuate so many skin tones. It's just beautiful to me. I still have the CatSuit on underneath just to try it on, but here's the shape of it's kind of boxy. You know, I thought it would run exceptionally small, being an extra small. It's not that small. It's a little bit tight in the neck, but it's not crazy tight. And it is on the thicker side. So if you're looking for a spring piece, I don't think this is going to be it. You're looking for a nice solid winter piece, on the other hand, you might have your number. So let me try the tracksuit and we'll be wrapped up. All right, this is another one. Look at the color of this, everyone. I think the color, last piece, the one before I forget. Look for me is a 3, wearability is a 3 because it's too heavy for where I look, value is a 3. That's my rating. This one here, hopefully you can see all the way down. This is a tracksuit, a terry cloth tracksuit. But wow, so I have to give my essay props because I keep saying, no, it's gonna be the wrong size. These are both extra small and they fit perfect. Like they're not too tight, not too loose. Here, I'm not a fan of hoodies. If you're watching my channel, you know that, but this one fits fantastic. Gives you the nice round fullness in the behind that we like, as you can see in the mirror. And I mean, this color just, I think it's just fabulous. So for me, look on this one is a 7, wearability is an 8, because I do work from home. I'll be wearing this a lot of the time. Value is an 8. I have a hard time making that rating because it is expensive for a tracksuit. Nice pockets, although they're not too deep. A little bit surprised there's no pockets on the top. You could definitely wear this apart with something different. May or may not want to size up in the neckline for the neck. It fits perfect here, but it is a little bit tight here. That may just be the style. Hoodies tend to do that, which is why I don't like them. The bulk, plus they kind of pull your neck back. So yeah, that's my 2 cents. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Those of you who have not yet checked out Loro Piana, they have become one of my absolute all-time favorite designers. And the quality, quarter of the price of Chanel. Not that I'm only comparing them to them, but many of you have watched my channel or found me because of Chanel. Easily twice the quality. So my 2 cents. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Take good care.